Crossover! Crossover move! These niggas out here balling. Do not pit at this speed, bro. No, do not hit him at this speed, bro. Do not do that. Do not do it. Do not do it. Do not tap him at this speed. This is way too fast. You too face that, bro. I told y'all boys in the last couple videos, if you're in the scat, you getting caught, you gonna turn into a pack straight like that. Do not run in the scat. But we got people still running in the scat thinking like, oh yeah, it's about to be a breeze to walk through the park. But today I think we found somebody who kind of got away and ran away from the Scatpack in a Scatpack. I'm curious about a Hellcat. If we can get, let's say, 10 likes on this video, we'll see if we can find somebody who got away in a Hellcat, or you know what I'm saying. Anyway, stolen Scatpack takes on the police. Early comment right now, who y'all think gonna do it, bro? Early right now, throw it in the comments. Who is going to get away? Anyways, with that being said, without further ado, let's do. Oh, follow me on Instagram. Boop. Follow me, like this picture so I know you rock with me. Boop. Oh, and subscribe. Let's watch the video. My nigga dead. Shout out to County Boys. I'm gonna give y'all a little shout out. Alright, let's see what happens here. I don't even see the scat off the rip. Somebody told me stop pausing the video so much. I'll do better. My bad, bro. The scat already gone. Y'all see the scat? I don't see shit. Is that him way down there? I gotta squint. That's him. That ain't him. I think he got lost. I think he lost chat. Oh, he is.
Hey, which way that car go? Which? Northbound?
Bro, asking the pedestrians which way the car went. Y'all let me know in the comments right now. Let me know if you gonna let them know where the car went.
That way? That one be advised. Vehicles going northbound 314.
Bro, he's gone. He probably done made 2 or 3 turns by now. Damn, now this is where things get critical because y'all teaming up.
Old National and Godby Road.
Y'all teaming up. Y'all boys who running away, bro, if y'all got a striker, y'all gotta put that shit up ASAP.
Yep, I'm in pursuit.
Car. I think he just came from the gas station too. I hope he filled up. This is heavy traffic. Oh, crossover! Crossover move! These niggas out here balling. They balling out here. I just personally don't think scats are fast enough to be getting away. We're probably gonna see a pit maneuver. Oh, he doing. Oh, he hit him with the hesi. He hit him with a hesi. God damn. What's up, y'all boys pulling out these crossover moves, bro? Where y'all learn this shit from? You guys at with that? Whoa, all right, my bad, y'all, but turning a scat like that, dangerous work. He about to hit him with another crossover. Another crossover. Another crossover coming. Whoa.
All right, coming out on Roosevelt. Going northbound on Roosevelt Highway.
He's gone.
It's a Scatpack, so I'm losing him a little bit, but we're going 80.
Jeez, he is gone. Jeez, he is gone. That I don't know if that speed wasn't very scattish. Damn, and he knows roads. He knows roads. He not new to this, bro. He knows roads. Didn't he just turn right there? Oh, he over there. He over there. He in the corner. Oh, I almost lost him. There you go. Oh shit, this is a good chase. It's crazy. Heart pumping a little bit. Bruh, his shit is moving though. He like he's sped up. Uh-oh. 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 That was a lot of red lights. That was a lot of red lighting. You gotta get missing again. Just quick. He gonna need some backup. He not gonna catch him just on his own. You gonna need some backup, or you gonna need some pedestrian help? He's like the gap is crazy. Y'all sure scats don't be winning no races, bro? Y'all sure y'all don't be getting gapped by scat packs? Y'all boys out there who be racing, bro. I know them scats probably be gapping y'all, cause this shit is very sizable. Oh, he caught up. Do not pit at this speed, bro. No, do not hit him at this speed, bro. Do not do that. Do not do it. Do not do it. Do not tap him at this speed. This is way too fast. This is way too fast. Do not do this. Whoa. Oh my God. Someone was gonna pass. That be the thing, bro, when y'all running. Y'all see how they communicating, bro?
Hamilton Road. He's got sparks coming off his right side tires, so he's gonna 41 here soon. Can you see if APD can get some spikes up?
Yeah, see how they communicating, bro?
We're coming up.
Oh, he braking. He's braking. Is he gonna pit him? I think he is.
Alright, he's trying to avoid my pit at Deal Avenue.
Yeah. Holy hell.
Alright, you stop, you stop.
Uh-oh.
Alright, you stop, you stop.
He is very calm. This officer is very calm.
Put your hands up! Alright, got a bush flying back southbound towards Deal. Black male, white hat, blue jeans, or I'm sorry, black pants with a white stripe, and a black jacket with something written on it. Hey, stop or I'll let my dog bite you!
Dog.
Going behind the supermarket at Oakland Lane. Still southbound. Stop! Right here, right here.
The trains, stop those trains, and we're gonna get on that track. They're probably gonna run across that track.
Hey, he's back behind the supermarket. Back behind the supermarket. Stop! Get on the ground or I'll shoot you! Get on the ground!
Oh man, he don't hit him with that shit. Oh shit. Oh, he don't hit him with that shit.
There's a deployment behind the supermarket by myself. Put your hands behind your back.
Can you give me up?
Put your hands behind your back, both of them. You ain't getting up! Not yet. Are you okay?
No, sir, please.
Huh?
Need to go to the hospital. Please. Please, sir. Help me up, please. Please. Please give me up.
Everyone, one in
Give me
custody,
up.
start a 4 for taser deployment.
Clear, 22,
Well then, honestly, he just bad luck of the draw. You know what I'm saying? I keep telling you guys I'm scats, but every time I see him, I'm just thinking like maybe they're just not fast. Like he could have got away. He just, I don't know, man. Like it's just not. It's the last thing I think you kind of want to run away in as a scat. You know what I'm saying? Like we haven't seen a Hellcat run away yet, but I just feel like that's way too much power to even try to run away. Like if you're not on a straightaway in a Hellcat, I just don't see like how you possibly can get away. Unfortunately for him, the score has now shifted. It is now 2-1. If you guys want to see more, you probably should click this video right here where you can see an M4 get away from the police, and he got away like that, faster than NBA shot clock. So I'll see you guys in the next one.